This carrot jollof veggies rice changed things in my home. My kids kept asking for it again and again. And honestly, regular jollof rice and stew had to rest small. Where come, may I show you how I make them? All ingredients will be listed in caption below. Hi, spicy family. Today we are making carrot jollof rice loaded with mixed veggies and shrimp. Colorful, comforting, and packed with flavor. First, I started getting everything ready because good food always starts with good preparation. Sometimes the simplest meals surprise you the most. I clean my pepper, cut them into pieces, add a little oil, and place in my oven for 10 minutes. Next, I added some vegetable oil and caramelized my onions slowly. Then, went in my tomato paste, bay leaf, white pepper, thyme, and curry. And everything started coming together beautifully. I added my seasoning and a little salt. Then kept stirring gently over medium heat because one thing we are not doing today is burning our sauce. I let it cook until that tomato paste sour taste disappeared. And at that point, I already knew this meal was going to be a good one. After 10 minutes, my peppers were beautifully roasted. I brought it out, blended them, and added everything into my tomato sauce. I gave it a good stir and let it cook gently. And slowly, the magic started happening. Once the oil started floating on the top of the sauce, I knew we were getting somewhere. That is usually my sign that the sauce is ready and packed with flavor. At this point, I went in with my washed rice. I stirred everything well until every grain was beautifully coated in that rice sauce. Then I added my chicken stock and gave it another stir over medium heat because good food needs patience. And we were definitely not burning anything today. If you feel yours need a little more liquid, feel free to adjust it to your preference. Then I cover it with foil paper to help trap the heat and let everything cook evenly. Now came the waiting part, about 20 minutes or until the rice became tender, depending on the kind of rice you are using. Stir again and leave for another 5 minutes. Spicy family, please tell us where you are watching from. We would love to give you a shout out in our next video. Next came my veggies. I lightly cook my shrimp and mixed vegetable. Add a little seasoning and salt, then give everything a quick stir. Then add it into the rice. One thing we are not doing today is overcooked our veggies. I still wanted a beautiful color, freshness, and a little crunch to shine through it. I gave everything one final stir, and just like that, our delicious carrot jollof rice with mixed vegetable and shrimp was ready. Honestly, this meal came together so beautifully. What do you think about this rice? Will you give it a try? And if you watch all the way to this point, thank you so much for being here. You truly mean a lot. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more homemade meal where every spice tells a story. Love you. Bye. And I will see you in my next video.